Kaboom! All right, new review. Today, we're gonna jump right into it. We got the Lebron 17 PRM Desert Sand Metallic Gold. Now, I don't know what PRM stands for, but like I said, I saw the shoe and I was like, I gotta get those. So these are $225, more expensive than these ones. So these ran me about like $245 with taxes and everything. So let's crack in right into the video. Ready? Drum roll, please. Boom! Now look at that, guys. Whew. We got the little like flaming hot Cheetos on the side, you know? It's like somebody was eating hot Cheetos and they're like, oh, let me just rub a little bit on there. Let me just do a little finger rub. But check this out, guys. This is a nice shoe. Okay, so right off the bat, I noticed this right here. Look at that. This is literally like it's popping out the shoe. Not like this one that's I guess logo printed. This is literally like an emblem. Like this would be a badass emblem for like a t-shirt. So let's just check out the whole shoe, guys. Let's see. Oh, what do we got here in the back? We got a little bit of that. What's that shoe called? The Joyride? I noticed that they're coming out with this now. I'm thinking they slide the laces through there and then they grab the shoe sort of like that and they're, yeah, I don't know, maybe. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, that's it, man. LeBron James is in the Illuminati. What does that mean, guys? If anyone knows what that means, 946, 11, 379, 44, 303. What does that mean? If you know what that means, let me know in the comments because I don't know what this means. That's like Illuminati right there. It's in gold too. What do we got there? Keen Knitposit. So that I guess this is the material. It's called Knitposit. Oh, we got the vibes going on here. Win-win. Hey, man, I don't know if he's worn this shoe in a game yet, but this is fire. So I can see why they added the extra price, the extra 25 added to the price tag, you know? So we got any extra laces or anything? That's a lot of paper, man. That's a lot of paper. Look at that. I'm already breaking the box. But anyway, so we got the red LeBron 17s, the red carpets. Comparing it to these, I'm just going to give you, I was going to do like, I might do an in deeper, more comparison video. But right there, right off the bat, major differences. Emblem here is like nice. It's like really well made. Here is just print. This little tongue here, this doesn't have it. We got little gold right here instead of this. And then in the back, we got the little holes. These don't have the little holes. And then let's look at the side real quick. Hey, they're both clean shoes, but anyways, we'll do that another video. So, first thing right off the bat, I want to know what that means right there. So if y'all let me know, that'd be cool. But look at the designs. Yo, whoever was the designer of this shoe, they did a really good job. I wonder how they got it to look like that. Anyways, guys, we're gonna wear them on the feet, show you guys how they look. But let me just show you. This is the front view. This is the side view. Back view. The back is really cool. I mean, I don't know if I'm feeling these. Kind of don't like that. Kind of like, I wish it was just, you know, without the little loophole. Here. Look at that. What is that? That's Illuminati right there. I'm probably going to sound really dumb because, like, it's probably like, oh, wow. And look, the laces go like that. So it's like eating it. Wow, hey, this is a really good shoe design, guys. Let me throw them on the feet now. Damn. All right, guys, so I got a size up because the 12.5 was sold out. And you know what? They feel pretty good. They don't feel too big. I do feel that if you like rocking them loosely and you get a size bigger, it's going to look pretty dumb. So I really suggest, you really tighten them. So I'm going to tighten them and we're going to see. Look, do you see how the little lion's eating the laces? That's crazy. It almost looks like a... What is that? Hold on. That's really cool. Let's put the flash on. Hold on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lace them up now. Just because these are, like I said, a size and a half bigger than what I usually get. And yes, I double checked this time. They are sold out. Not the shoe, but the size. That's what I try to that's what I try to mean last time. And yeah, sure enough, guys, you see the little lion here creates that little snug so that when you tie the laces really tight, it creates that lock in the shoe. Look. And it eats it back again. That's amazing. Can you guys see that? Damn, it's dark. I'm going to turn on the light right now, but that's amazing, guys. Like, honestly, this is a way better shoe design. At first, I wasn't really feeling it, but now that I see it, it's actually really cool having that extra little feature. Oh, and look, guys. Hold on. Let me turn on this light real quick. So, pretty much, there's an extra lace. You see these little things? There's an extra one so that if you want the more like support here, you can lace them up on the sides here. So, let me just show you what I mean with the whole lacing thing. So, check this out. So, you tighten here, tighten here. Tighten here, and then look, without even trying, right there, if you look, it gets super tight. Oh, you see I messed up right there. And you know what? They didn't make a big deal out of it when I bought them. I didn't know that it was going to look like this. And that's why I'm doing the review for you guys. Oh, and then the laces. That's one thing I wanted to tell you guys. These laces, guys, they're super thin. It's like paper. But look, I usually do another knot. So let me do the next knot. Hold on. Boom. Let's show you guys how they look on the feet outside. Let's go. See that little logo? Sick one. Look at that, hot. Hot. Damn. So that's another thing I forgot to mention. I feel that wearing black socks not these little camo. I don't know. It doesn't make the shoe look good because I wore camo. But I feel like black socks would look good. Short socks would look good. And then look at this gold right here. That's the air bubble unit, guys, just in case you didn't know. That's air. I really like this little thing right here. I wish they could have made this gold. We got the little specs here. But yeah, guys, it's a really comfortable shoe. You could get a size up, half a size up, sorry. And it'll be no problem. I'm gonna put them back, give you guys a little walkthrough again on feet. And we're gonna wrap this video up. Now, if you guys wanna see these, instead of the red in the giveaway, you guys, it's still time. You can still enter the giveaway. I'm going to tell you more details right now. All right, guys. So if you want to get entered for the red shoe giveaway, make sure you comment down below what your favorite. Let's see. Let's keep it interesting. What you got? What's your favorite food? Comment down what your favorite food is, and I'll get you in the giveaway. You'll get a comment from me saying a thumbs up or like I like that food too, or I hate that food. So comment down below your favorite food ones. So if you guys don't want to get entered, that's cool. I still got to run them over. I've been slacking, so I'm gonna run these over soon, guys. I've been beating the crap out of these shoes. Look, I'm gonna do a review. Next video after this one, you guys will get the run over video and like just showing you guys how dirty they are and everything. And then of course, keep tuned that we're gonna put these in the washer too, see if they survive. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. We got the Lebrons here. Pretty sick ass shoes. Peace.